Oh, check it out. You got apple too. It must be apple too day. Woohoo! Hey, babe. It's the festival of popular delusions. Delusions.
Oh, I have a popular delusion and you're not in it.
What? Hey, babe, it's gingerbread day. Can you make me some gingerbread? I got my ginger, got my bread, please.
No!
What? Oh, that's right. It's attitude day. Boy, she got some attitude, don't she? Well, you're in luck. I'll just make you some gingerbread. Well, I'm gonna make gingerbread man. Check it out. I got the bread. I got the ginger. I got the cutter. Check this out. We cut the gingerbread guy out. Check it out. We put a little bit of ginger on it. Here you go, babe. Enjoy. And he kind of cute. Hey, babe, here you go. Enjoy. It's hot air balloon day. I'm not quite sure what that is. I'm not sure why people pay money for hot air balloon rides. Do you? Hey, babe, you know what it is? I guess it means hot air here. Enjoy blowing my balloons.